So this is how our front yard looks like. It's actually not well maintained kasi marami na siyang dandelion. So yung backyard namin, hindi naman siya talaga kagandahan kasi nung lumipat kami dito like almost 5 years ago, meron diyang nakatanim and I just don't like it na it's covered with stones kasi nung hindi na siya naalagaan, tumubo na yung mga grass, yung mga damo. So for today's video, we're going to cut the grass. Yes, you heard it right. Magtatabas po tayo. We're going to cut the grass in our front yard and in our backyard. Kasi tumataas na po yung mga damo. And of course, we don't wanna get penalized by the city. Lalo na kapag nagiging eyesore na siya. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga tools na gagamitin natin for today. They are actually Ryobi brands. And we're going to use their grass trimmer and their lawn mower. And to start off, i-check muna natin kung gumagana yung battery. So, let's go! Okay, so yung Ryobi lawn mower natin, tsaka yung trimmer, gumagana siya using 18 volts battery. Para malaman natin kung fully charged yung batteries, we are going to check it. Pagka nakita nyo nagbe-blink, it means na yung battery nagcha-charge. Let's try this one. So kapag ka naman hindi siya nagbe-blink and yung green naka-steady lang, it means that it's fully charged. So we're going to use one first that is fully charged and we're gonna leave the other one para ma-charge siya fully. So this is how our front yard looks like. It's actually not well maintained kasi marami na siyang dandelion. Kaya as much as possible, we just want it short para naman hindi obvious na hindi siya well maintained tulad ng mga neighbors namin. Kasi yung sa kanila, it's green at saka it looks healthy. Pero yung sa amin, hindi naman. So, we have to cut them really short. So, yung backyard namin, hindi naman siya talaga kagandahan. Kasi, nung lumipat kami dito like almost 5 years ago, meron diyang nakatanim. And I just don't like it na it's covered with stones kasi nung hindi na siya naalagaan, tumubo na yung mga grass and it's really challenging to cut the grass. So I will be using a trimmer to do the works later. So yan, may mga dandelion siya, so we will have to be cutting them later. So we have to make sure na safe siya, na ilock natin to, and also this one. Of course, so safety first, we're going to wear glass para hindi matilabsikan just in case may mga pebbles, mga bato na tumalsik, so hindi madadamage yung eyeglasses natin. Eyeglasses ko pala. You have to make sure, aside from yung battery fully charged, you have to make sure that you have this red thing. I don't know what it's called, but if you don't have this, your lawn mower will not work. So this one goes here. So now we're ready. We're gonna start first sa front yard. So we're gonna start, but we will adjust first yung height ng blade. I just don't like na mataas siya. So mas prefer ko yung mababa, yung blade. Para din sobrang cut ng grass. As I said a while ago, hindi naman ganun kagandahan yung front yard namin and it's not well maintained. So I have to make it very sobrang parang pudpud talaga yung grass. So it's at number 1. May numbering siya, 1. So we'll do the 1. Na-adjust mo na yung height ng blade. Ando na yung battery at saka yung red thing. Nando na siya. So, para umandar, you have to press the middle. Hold it. And then you press this. And now it's working. Push. You just have to push. So, I forgot to tell you pala guys na normally may certain parang direction yung pagmo-mower ng iba. Kasi para magandang tingnan. Kasi especially if your grass is well maintained, kapag you go zigzag, hindi maganda yung end result. So, yung iba, they go like one way and then they go back. So, para maganda yung tingnan after mo siyang mawow. Ang hirap niyang i-push. I don't know why. Maybe there's something wrong sa wheels niya. So, I'm gonna rest for a bit. I'm actually catching my breath. Kasi halatang halata na kulang sa exercise. And mowing the yard is actually a good exercise. So, you will notice sa video ko na there are some certain areas na hindi ko pinadaanan ng mower. It's because I'm gonna use the grass trimmer kasi yung structure ng front yard namin, it's yung lupa, it's not even. So mayroong hilly part, bumpy part. So just to avoid na hindi ma-damage yung blade, I'm just gonna use trimmer to finish it all off. Okay, I'm just gonna rest for a bit and then see you guys. Okay, so kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina na gagamit tayo ng grass trimmer para i-cut yung mga grass na hindi pwedeng i-cut ng lawnmower. So we're going to use the same battery that comes with the whole package, the 18 volt. Gamitin muna natin yung nandito sa lawnmower. So the grass trimmer doesn't need the red thing na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina for the lawnmower. It just needs the battery in order for it to work. And make sure that when you use this, you're wearing, again, your safety glass. And at the same time, you have to wear runners to protect your feet. Just in case, you know, sometimes accidents happen at baka yung feet niyo yung makat at hindi yung grass. Okay. So maybe for some of you guys, you are wondering why I am the one who's cutting the grass. Well, because here in Canada, everyone is equal. So yung mga women, they can actually do men's job, and at the same time, yung mga men, they can also actually do the women's job. So, and also in our household, it's actually everyone has to work. I cannot wait for my dad or the husband of my sister to do the mowing kasi lahat kami nagtatrabaho and everyone is busy, lahat pagod. So mas gusto ko actually, mas prefer ko mag-mower kesa sa mag-plow ng snow during winter time. Tatanggalin natin yung grass na nakat natin sa mower. And we need paper yard waste bag, and this is where we're going to put the grass that we have cut. And we're going to leave this in our front yard, and it's going to be picked up by the city during their yard wasting.
I am done, and I'm gonna show you the before and after result of the mowing of the front yard and the backyard. Kinakain ako ng lamok kasi medyo malamok. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you will continue to follow me on my next videos. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification button. See you again next time on my next videos. Bye!